Today, in America, more than 5.5 million men, women, and children train in a martial art regularly. Buitron Academy has been serving Laredo for over 30 years now. Our adult classes are geared for producing the best in you, teaching you street-ready techniques. With the arts of savate and Kenpo, you'll learn the traditions of these sciences of combat, as passed down professor to student.
In here, no boogeyman. Ooh, boogeyman. What are my hands doing up here when his hands are down there? Just giving him more time, right? Hey, when I come in, I say, hey, right over those hands, right over those hands, just over the head. And that's it. And when you get there, then you can make the shape of the crane and make the personal pull, get the pull going. But don't do this. That's about half a circle more than you need to get to the hand. Understand? Just get over them and hook. Got it? That knuckle, elbow goes under the chin, and the heel palm claw goes into the nose and come down to the claw in the eye. When you hear the word claw, it's never just a claw. If you hear the word heel palm, it's never just a heel palm. Because the fingers are so close to the heel palm, they can be used in one move, and we do. So if your heel palm doesn't mean it means heel palm followed by a claw. If you hear the word claw, it means heel palm followed by a claw. You don't waste one, don't leave it out. Claw does nothing. Nothing. All that's for is temporarily blind the person. Temporarily blind. Okay. Now I tell this story. I said, one of my students in California many years ago trained in Fresno with us. He used to work at Yosemite Park in the summer at the gas station up there, pumping gas. And he kept track one year. One year I got in 14 fights, with kids up there, causing trouble and whatever. 14 fights. He said, I won 12 of them with a finger flick. I won 12 of them with a finger flick. Okay. So, remember that. Guys fast and you control your head. Boom, boom, your finger flick. Wow. That's how it's not a killing move or, incapacitated. He can't see and it hurts and you think about his eyes and that's all it took.
Come train at the best kept secret of Laredo. Give us a call for your free evaluation at 956-401-4868 or check out our website at savate.biz. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook.